Truespeed Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our comprehensive review of Truespeed. For your convenience, we've included links to their products in the description below. Features. Truespeed offers full fiber broadband services, delivering ultra-fast and reliable internet connectivity directly to your home. Unlike traditional providers that utilize a combination of fiber and copper cables, Truespeed employs a fiber-to-the-premises (FTTP) approach, ensuring dedicated fiber optic lines from the exchange straight to your router. This infrastructure supports symmetrical upload and download speeds, with packages ranging from 150 Mbps to 900 Mbps, catering to various user needs. Strengths. One of Truespeed's significant strengths is its commitment to delivering guaranteed speeds. By providing a direct fiber connection, they ensure that users experience consistent and reliable internet performance, free from the fluctuations often associated with shared networks. Additionally, Truespeed offers a fixed price promise, assuring customers that their rates won't increase during the contract period. The company also supports local communities by providing free connections to primary schools and community hubs, enhancing digital accessibility in their service areas. Weaknesses. Despite its many advantages, Truespeed has areas that may concern potential customers. Notably, the supplied routers are reported to be locked down, restricting users from changing Wi-Fi passwords independently. To modify the password, customers must contact tech support and share the new password in plain text, which raises security and privacy concerns. Additionally, as a regional provider primarily serving the southwest of England, Truespeed's availability is limited, which may exclude potential customers outside these areas. Conclusion. Truespeed stands out in the broadband market with its full fiber FTTP infrastructure, offering guaranteed speeds and a fixed price promise. Their community-focused initiatives further enhance their appeal. However, potential customers should be aware of the router management limitations and regional availability when considering their services.